Hey there, today we are giving you a room tour of a room here at the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim, California. We're here for a few days stay, and when you stay at Disneyland Resort, you are so close to everything. You can walk to both parks so easily. We love staying at the Disneyland Resort hotels. We've stayed at the other two, but this is our first time at Disneyland Hotel, so you can check out our room tours of the other two hotels as well. But let's head into the room and check out our room here. It is a standard view room at Disneyland Hotel. We're in the Frontier Tower, by the way, so let's head in. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and head on in right here, and immediately you notice the beautiful blue carpet. But we're gonna head to the left first and head into the commode and shower area. Now this is a unique setup with the Disneyland Hotel standard rooms, is that you do have a totally split commode and shower from the sink where you can like brush your teeth and wash your hands and stuff. The shower's great. They have the Disney soap products, and those are just on the shower wall. And they have a beautiful thing where it's so Mickey Mouse in this resort, and I love it. And so that room is separate, but then you walk in to the room with the sink, and you have your amenities there. You have the Mickey hands holding the lamps. The thing I love about the Disneyland Hotel is that this resort truly is one that feels like it was intended to bring magic into your life. So you can see those handles there in the sink have the Mickey heads on them. You have some good storage in here, and then there's a closet here that also has some good closet space as well. We actually had 4 of us staying in this room, and there was never really a point we felt crowded. We felt like the way the bathroom was set up always let us to feel like we had space. Heading on to the main part of the room, you can see here an area with a chair and kind of a dresser and a desk, a Keurig, an icebox, things like that. This area was great. The 2 extra chairs really allowed for some space. You have a mini fridge to keep your things cool. And so this was something that was really helpful, and I felt like that was a nice touch to the room. And then you swing on over, you have the floor to ceiling windows, you have the beautiful beds in this room with the beautiful headboard. I felt like there were so many details that made me know I was staying at Disneyland, even down to what is on like the comforter. You have the Mickey head, you have that feel, and of course you have the gorgeous headboard, and it has a special party trick. Check this out. I'm going to turn the switch. Isn't that awesome? We kept that on like our entire stay here, which was great. So there it is. A standard view room at the Disneyland Hotel at the Disneyland Resort. We love staying at Disneyland. It brings us so much joy, and we really feel like a stay at the Disneyland Resort in general, one of their resort hotels, is so worth it if you want to have a magical Disneyland vacation. If you need help booking your next Disneyland vacation, send me an email at ben@keystoDreamTravel.com. I am a certified travel planner, and I would love to help you get your trip to the Disneyland Resort booked. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next video.